Hey everyone, I bet you remember this fan from when, the first video on my channel, so I'm doing a better remake because my camera was crappy. As you can see, they redid the lights in here, fluorescent lights, and the fan is still hardwired. So we're just gonna do a better video of it. There's low. There's medium. And there's high. It's blowing warm air down because there's a heater in here that's running. Still wobbly, but it does blow a pretty good amount of air. Hunter low profile too, by the way. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. And I'm heading to Owings Mills Mall after this, so stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching.